Welcome back, dear students, to the physics vision classes. The given question is, let A be the Hermitian matrix. What does it mean? It means A dagger, dagger means conjugate of the transpose, is equal to A. Okay, and C and D be the unitary matrices. Unitary matrices means if we take its dagger and multiply by itself, C dagger C, this is equal to identity, or in other words you can say C dagger is equal to C inverse, and similarly we have D dagger D is equal to identity. Okay, so these three properties are given, these three matrices of these kinds are given. What has been asked in the question is, which one of the following matrices is unitary? So what we need to do, we just need to check each and every option given here, and we need to check which one of the following is unitary in nature. Okay, which of the following is unitary in nature? What we'll do, there is one option we can definitely do that. That by checking each and every option we can get our result easily, but that is not a good way to do in an objective paper. Okay, so what will we do? We will look out for the symmetry here. Since there is a matrix in between here as well, which is Hermitian by nature, that is A dagger is given to be A. So if we will go for dagger of this matrix, most probably in most of the cases what we got is a Hermitian matrix only, not the unitary. But since the unitary matrix is asked in the question, we will go for that combination of matrices which contains only the unitary matrices, that is option B or D. Okay, so we will check only these two, not others two. Moreover, since we have two different matrices here in this case, the one matrix is given at one extreme, but its inverse is not given at another extreme, it is given in the center of the combination, and on the other extremes there is one new matrix. Okay, but in this case this is absolutely symmetrical, this is a symmetrical case, so we'll go for this matrix first. Okay, so these are the options. Like what we are trying to say in this question is, you just should make use of the symmetric properties, symmetry, and that always works in most of the objective questions. Okay, using this, let us see whether we are correct or not, whether it's a unitary matrix or not. So when we'll go for this, we'll take its dagger. What will we get? By the reversal property, we'll get dagger of C here, and then we'll get dagger of D, and then we'll get dagger of inverse, C inverse. Okay, since we have C dagger is C inverse, what about this D dagger? D dagger is D inverse. Okay, and what about C inverse dagger? Since C inverse is equal to C dagger, so if we will take its dagger, that will give us the dagger of dagger, that is the original matrix back. So this is C inverse D inverse C. Okay, which can be written as C inverse D C inverse of this. Okay, so this is it. This will give us the above term back, since the last term, inverse of last term is this one and inverse of first term is this one. Okay, so we get the unitary dagger. The dagger is equal to its inverse, hence the given matrix is unitary, therefore the option C is correct. Okay, so stay tuned with us for more such questions and doubts videos, and thanks for watching our video.